I worked with a manufacturing company and I was able to take their security score through Defender and take that from a 30% and move it into a 68% almost overnight. So I worked with a manufacturing company. It was a one-man shop and it was about 500-600 users. This individual was stretched insanely thin. He just did not have the time to dedicate into improving existing processes because he's working on 4 different sites and 600 users. We took the environment and had streamlined everything down to patching, imaging of these machines, policies. We automated a lot of processes, how we onboard new devices and new users utilizing tools within Intune, Entra, Dynamic Group. I took their Microsoft's Defender security score from 30% and moved it to about 68 within a week without interrupting people's workday. That environment now is a well-oiled machine and he can actually breathe. We've taken things that would be a 6-hour work process down to 10 minutes. He now can go back and look at the environment and say, now I can improve on things like getting new servers into this environment, updating our network and switching and routing, things I couldn't do at the time because I was too busy. His workload cut down immeasurably and he can actually have a weekend.